Hello everybody, welcome to Babsi Home Cooking channel. Today I will cook French toast. Do you know this toast? My child she was in very much this baby. That time I did, and then I gave to her every day. You know, she likes it so much. It's very simple and then full of nutrients. Now I will introduce the ingredients. This egg and toast bread and butter and milk and sugar and a little salt. Yes, now I will make now. We put out this 5 eggs. Yes, a little bit. No, 1 small spoon, 3, 4, 5. And a little salt. And then mix. It's a very simple, very simple, this one. When I tried first time this one, it was fantastic, this taste. Okay. You put this bread for, yes, and put here. Looks very delicious. Ready?